Hey, it's Audrey with audrey.e.memory, where I give you design ideas, tips, and tutorials to help you preserve your memories. Today, you need to save your Facebook photos, and here is why and how. One place that I would have been devastated if my photos would have been lost from was Facebook. And so I went into my profile. When you go into the app, you find your profile by just clicking this middle icon. You scroll down past your friends to where it says post, and right below where it says post, it says photos next to music. We're gonna click on that, and then it takes you to all of your photos that you are tagged in, that you've uploaded, things like that. When you click on the photo that you're wanting to download, up at the top right-hand corner, there's 3 little dots. Click on the 3 little dots. Under make profile picture, make cover photo, it says save photo. Click on save photo, and when you go into your photo albums, it is saved right there for you.